welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look right here. Glam Dead Killed by Flower. I'm calling it the Black Dahlia just because I saw this photo on Pinterest and I really wanted to recreate it, and like, I don't know, it just made me think of it and I wanted to recreate it. Again, couldn't find the actual original artist of the piece. Whoever pinned it just uploaded it, and I couldn't find any kind of artist credit or anything like that. So if anyone knows, please let me know or tag in the comments below, because I hate not giving credit where credit is due. So once again, if you'd like to see how I created this video, please keep watching. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be playing with effects makeup and I'm very excited. I am going to start with my base. Actually, today's inspiration is this photo right here. Spooky, creepy, bloody, very Halloween. Very excited to be putting this together. I have dead rose petals right here. So yeah, let's just get started before I make any more of a mess than I already have. I'm not using my Tatcha Silk Canvas as much in these videos because it's a very expensive product, and the fact that I'm doing another look right after this, I don't want to waste the product. So I'm just going to put on my Fenty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer. I can never remember the name of this because it's so long and I just don't remember. So I'm just going to put this all over my face, or my T-zone mostly, and then spread it out the rest of the way. Just want it all over the face. For foundation, all of my shit is in this basket. Kids, get your shit together before you start filming. Okay, I think I have everything. So I'm going to take my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and put this all over my face. I love this foundation. This is a really great foundation, especially if you want something full coverage and something that's inexpensive and isn't like super matte. Like if you see this, it's still pretty dewy. In my opinion, it's not, in my opinion, it's not very dry matte, but it is extremely full coverage, as you can see with my nose here. But as I was saying, this is a really great foundation and it's really inexpensive. You can get it at CVS, Walgreens, it might be at Ulta. I am trying to make this as full coverage as possible though, because we're gonna look as undead but dead as possible, or like recently dead. Now I'm gonna take my Born This Way concealer in light beige. I'm gonna highlight my face. Just blending this out with my Morphe sponge. I don't remember what these are called. Sorry. I also could be doing this very, very wrong by putting down a base, but I don't really know. I'm learning. I watched literally one video on how you really just mold the stuff. There aren't that many tutorials, honestly, on how to use this Graftobian wax, but we're gonna do our best. I am going to set my face using the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This one right here. I haven't used it in a minute. Just gonna set my under eyes really quick. Again, not sure if I'm doing this right, but we're gonna do our best. And today I'm not gonna use my cream contour kit, so I'm going to just set my entire skin, the whole face, everything. I'm gonna do one eyebrow, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna do both my brows. Just fill them in. Being dead is no excuse to have shitty brows. Oh, and to fill in my brows, I always use my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. This one right here. And then I go over top of it with Gimme Brow Plus. I use the pencil in the shade 4 and then this in shade 4.5. Just because, as we can see, my hair's pretty dark. I'm gonna clean up this brow here because it's a fucking disaster. Like I said, being dead is not an excuse for having shit brows. Okay, so now I'm gonna start on my eyes. I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. Yes, I'm late to the game. I'm going to start by going in with All Star. This one right here. Should probably zoom you guys in a little bit, huh? So, I need to clean my brushes. I've been saying that for like 2 weeks. So, I'm gonna go in with All Star on an M441. I'm gonna just go in with this. I'm actually going to try this with the brush it comes with. Right now I'm really not digging it, but let me see. Being dead is no excuse for having shitty blended eyeshadow either. I think it has to do with the fact that my lids were not set enough, but we're gonna find out shortly. All right, yeah, that's better. All right, yeah. So I guess the trick with this palette is definitely making sure your eyes are set, like your actual lid space and whatever primer you're using, so that it has something to blend into. All right, so I'm going to go in with Rowdy. I already used it on my other eye. It's this deep purple shade right here. It looks like a really dark purple. However, it also comes out black. I think it's like a really dark indigo shade, which is super pretty. I'm actually going to touch up right here. But I'm not having any issues with like fallout with it. Nothing like that. All I'm doing is pressing this onto the lid and then kind of doing windshield wiper motions as I get higher up to start the blending process. And then I'll just dip back in with All Star and blend them together. And then I'll bring it a little farther out as well. Creepy and dark and scary and stuff. I'm gonna do my under eye actually with the same two colors. I'm gonna go in with All Star first, very vampy. And then I'm gonna line my waterline, top and bottom. This is the NYX Slide On Glide On eye pencil. I hate that so much. It feels so uncomfortable. Least favorite part of makeup. All right, and now I'm gonna take Rowdy and blend it out underneath pretty much. I look terrible with this kind of dark smoky eye, I think. I do not look glamorous. I do not look cute. Don't look sultry. Maybe it's because none of my other makeup is done, but that's just me. So now what you can do is pop on some lashes, whatever kind you'd like to pop on. I'm gonna do something dramatic. So I'm gonna go in with my Diamond Status Colored Raine lashes. These are some of my favorite ones. And for mascara, I'm gonna use my NARS Climax mascara. I'm going to contour my face actually while I wait for those to dry. I'm gonna take Mercury, this like violet purpley shade, gray shade, honestly. And I'm gonna take this on a Morphe R31 brush. And I'm gonna contour my face with this shade because I wanna look really dead. Glam dead, but dead. I'm gonna bring this really far in on the face so that we look pretty sunken in. All right, before they dry too much, I'm gonna pop these lashes on. And now I'm gonna finish contouring my face. I'm gonna shade around my chin to make it look a little bit more defined, like my face is thinning. I'm gonna take my Master Fix setting powder from Maybelline and just pop it right under here and on the sides of my nose, because the amount of shine that I have underneath my eye really upsets me. I'm gonna dust this away. And then I'm gonna do my nose. Okay, now for the fun part. So I'm gonna take this Craftobian modeling wax right here, and I'm gonna take a spatula. I got all this stuff on Amazon. I'll link it down below. And I'm just gonna take the wax and start spreading it on my face around. I'm putting it on the wrong side that I said I was gonna do, but oh well. And apparently this stuff warms up with body heat. So what they say to do is put it on the back of your hand and like kind of start molding it or warming it up. I don't know, can you just like fucking microwave this? Guess I should have put this down before I did my makeup, but oh well, the girl's learning. So now, let me see, I need a mirror. What I'm gonna do is take this pointy end of the spatula and draw a line. So I'm literally just trying to form this into cuts on my face. This stuff's really hard to use, guys, I'm not gonna lie. So, I mean, I've created a couple cuts, and to get this off of things, I'm using my makeup brush cleaner, honestly, because it's just got alcohol in it, and that helps it, I guess, spread around. I don't know anything about FX makeup, okay? I'm gonna take some of this Mayron coagulated blood gel, this stuff right here, and with a paintbrush, I'm going to apply it here. We got cuts on our face. All right, so that actually kind of worked. We got cuts on our face with some texture. I'll go back in with some other colors after and make those look a little bit more irritated. So I'm also winging this too. So I'm just gonna dip these rose petals into the latex. and just kind of pray that they stay. I was like, if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna use fucking lash glue. So I'm dipping it just so it's on the edge of these flowers. And then I'm holding it in place for a little bit so that it sets. And then I'm going to take this paintbrush again that had the blood on it. And I'm going to put this all around where these petals are. You feel me, guys? You see the vibe that I'm trying to get at? I'm going to take from the Jaclyn Hill palette, just as a brown, put that down over the blood area, or where I'm gonna want the blood. And I'm gonna take Mojo, which is that darker chocolatey brown shade, and then go over it again with blood, because that's gonna make it look darker. Okay, great. I'm gonna keep going. Let's do it. Kind of looks like I have a fungus growing on my face, but it's fine. Alright, for some final touches, I'm just gonna look at like I'm crying my mascara off. Gonna do my best here, guys. I'm just using my Mayron paint palette in the black and like super like diluting it with water. Alright guys, that completes this look. I am dead. Somebody killed me with a flower. Anyway, I put Saváge on my lips from the Dose of Colors DESIxKATY collection. I was gonna leave it just like nude, white, dead matte, and I just didn't like it. I wanted something to match the blood and the flowers. So yeah, here we are. This is the final look. I hope you guys really liked this video. I'm pretty impressed with it. Scar wax, not my thing. Just gonna put it out there, but I'm really happy that they kind of look like this. I got a few cuts and scrapes on my face. I think the only thing that you would want to do really is just like, just do this. Look extra dead, extra fucking creepy. This is probably a good job for stage blood, but I just don't. I don't have that. Well, my camera's about out of space. My SIM card's about out of space, so I'm just going to stop here. But again, hope you guys really like this. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And while you're over there, hit the subscribe button, especially if you would want to see more videos like this. Or, you know, around Halloween time, I have plenty of other videos that I put up throughout the year. But yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.